So now other perspective, okay. One is for cracking AOR exam is one thing. Second is thriving Supreme Court practice. For AOR exam, you have to learn 10 plus petitions. For Supreme Court practice, what you need to learn, you can do with a few lesser petitions, but lot more variety and depth is needed. Like special leave petitions, you must master. We discussed these yesterday. Special leave petition, how to draft, we discussed a bit of this. Writs, you must, writs under Article 32. Public interest litigation, we just did that. Criminal appeals. Okay, very important. Supreme Court's criminal appellate jurisdiction is really special. Okay, arbitration petitions. Okay, appeals from tribunals such as NCLAT. These are really important. You can get a lot of high stakes matters in these. Okay. Yeah, Christopher, those grouping issues that can come up, which is why people decide to, accordingly based on these concerns, they decide whether to go in High Court or Supreme Court. Okay. How to group them is you can start a change.org campaign. You can do a lot of things. You can just create an association. You can start a social media campaign, find people, get them to agree to a memorandum, all of that. Now, the skills that you need for a thriving Supreme Court practice are slightly different. Base is the same, but now we're talking of like fine tuning it, right? So they're different from those you need to crack the AOR exam. Now let's see how advocate on record exam is different. Okay, from actual Supreme Court practice, like what are the minor things that are different? See, for AOR exam, there is a focus on the prescribed syllabus, handwriting, writing in time, leading cases, past year's paper analysis, all of that. Okay, but when you're dealing with a client, you will not talk about it like this, right? You won't say leading case. You won't bother about writing in hand. You have a day, 2 days, 3 days to file an SLP or a PIL, right? You will conceptualize the whole matter. You'll take time for that. So for filing a Supreme Court practice, you need mastery over specific petitions, many types of SLPs, lots of PILs, both for High Court and Supreme Court work, because from High Court, you will have a next strategy to go to Supreme Court. You will perform briefings for senior advocates. You will do mock oral arguments. Okay, you will create mock memos and handouts for judges and seniors. Okay, and you will type the answers. You will not handwrite. So these nuances come up, which is why we bundled yesterday and today the course on Supreme Court practice with the course on